Hello, fellow adventurers, and thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration through Hawaiian Haven, a deep dive into the best places to stay. I'm delighted to be your guide as we set sail on a virtual odyssey into the heart of paradise. Over the next few minutes, we'll be weaving through the enchanting tapestry of Hawaii, unraveling the secrets and stories of the best places to stay on each mesmerizing island. From the opulent escapes of Maui, where the sun kisses the shores with golden warmth, to the vibrant cultural wonders that echo through the streets of Oahu, the volcanic majesty of the Big Island, and the tranquil retreats that beckon in the lush landscapes of Kauai, each island unfolds its unique allure. So, find a comfortable spot, let the rhythmic waves of Hawaiian melodies wash over you, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure into the heart of the Pacific paradise. Together, we'll delve into the essence of Hawaii, uncovering the luxurious, the cultural, the volcanic, and the serene, creating memories that will linger in your heart long after our journey concludes. So, sit back, relax, and let the spirit of aloha guide us through this hour of discovery and wonder. Welcome to Hawaiian Haven, where each moment is a step closer to the magic of the islands. Let's delve deeper into the enchanting world of Wailea Beach Resort Marriott in Maui, where every moment is not just a stay, but an immersive experience. Imagine waking up in one of their spacious suites, adorned with the finest furnishings, and stepping onto your private lanai. As the morning sun casts its golden glow over the Pacific, you're greeted by the soothing melody of gentle waves kissing the shore. This is not merely a resort, it's a sanctuary where luxury meets the natural beauty of Maui. The resort's architecture seamlessly blends with the island's ambience, creating a harmonious retreat that allows guests to connect with the surroundings. Each suite is thoughtfully designed to offer not only comfort, but a visual feast of panoramic ocean views. The private lanais become your personal vantage point, where you can savor your morning coffee, or unwind with a glass of wine as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. Wailea Beach Resort Marriott transcends the conventional definition of accommodation. It's a haven where the rhythm of the ocean becomes your lullaby, where gourmet dining is a sensory celebration, and where every day is an opportunity for new discoveries. From the moment you step into its embrace, you become part of a narrative where luxury, nature, and hospitality converge to create an unparalleled Maui experience. Transitioning to Oahu, we embark on a journey to the Royal Hawaiian, an enchanting resort that has earned its moniker as the Pink Palace of the Pacific. Nestled in the heart of Waikiki, this iconic establishment transcends the boundaries of a mere accommodation. It is a living testament to Hawaii's rich history and enduring charm. As we step into the Royal Hawaiian, the distinctive pink facade welcomes us into a realm where every corner echoes with the whispers of a bygone era. This historic property, with its roots dating back to the glamorous era of the 1920s, has played host to royalty, celebrities, and discerning travelers seeking a taste of Hawaiian opulence. As we explore the vibrant energy of Oahu, we'll discover that the Royal Hawaiian is not merely a snapshot of the past, it's a dynamic fusion of tradition and modern luxury. Immerse yourself in the carefully preserved architectural details, from the grandeur of the Great Lawn to the historic Moana Surfrider Wing. The resort's commitment to preserving its heritage while embracing contemporary comforts creates an ambience that is both nostalgic and indulgent. Now, let's delve into the enchanting world of the Big Island, where the exclusive Four Seasons Resort Hualalai beckons along the pristine Konokohala coast. As we arrive, prepare to be captivated by the juxtaposition of black lava landscapes against the mesmerizing turquoise waters of the Pacific. This resort isn't merely an accommodation, it's a portal to a world where luxury and nature seamlessly intertwine. Upon entering the Four Seasons Hualalai, guests are immediately immersed in an ambience of refined elegance. The spacious accommodations, adorned with traditional Hawaiian-inspired decor, provide a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. With private lanais that offer breathtaking views of the ocean or lush gardens, each room becomes a haven of tranquility. As we set foot on the lush landscapes of Kauai, the Princeville Resort unveils itself as a majestic sanctuary perched high above Hanalei Bay. The resort's elevated position not only provides guests with awe-inspiring panoramic views of the Asia Pacific, but also imparts an immediate sense of tranquility. Nestled within an enclave of lush greenery and framed by dramatic cliffs, Princeville Resort exudes an air of exclusivity and seclusion, making it an ideal retreat for those seeking a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Princeville Resort is not merely a place to stay, it's a haven for those with a passion for the outdoors. Golf enthusiasts will find themselves in paradise as we explore the world-class golf courses that seamlessly blend into the natural beauty of the surroundings. With meticulously manicured fairways set against the backdrop of the Pacific Ocean, the golfing experience here is nothing short of extraordinary. In every corner of Princeville Resort, from the elegant accommodations to the nature-inspired activities, there's a harmonious blend of luxury and the raw beauty of Kauai. Join me in experiencing the serenity of the Garden Isle through the lens of Princeville Resort, a sanctuary where the majesty of nature converges with the pinnacle of hospitality, creating an unforgettable retreat for those who seek solace amidst the splendor of the Hawaiian landscape. Returning to the enchanting shores of Maui, our next stop takes us off the beaten path to the captivating Travasa Hana, a true hidden gem nestled on the island's serene eastern coast. In this secluded haven, authenticity reigns supreme, offering guests an immersive journey into the heart of Hawaiian culture. Travasa Hana isn't just a resort, it's a portal to the rich cultural tapestry of Hawaii. As we step into this secluded retreat, the charm of Travasa Hana unfolds like a carefully crafted story. Imagine being greeted by the rhythmic sway of hula dancers, the melodic sounds of traditional Hawaiian music, and the warm embrace of the aloha spirit. Travasa Hana's commitment to preserving and sharing the essence of Hawaii is evident in every detail. One of the highlights of this unique retreat is the opportunity for guests to partake in hula lessons. The ancient art of hula, deeply rooted in Hawaiian history, is more than just a dance, it's a storytelling medium, a way to connect with the land and its people. Under the guidance of skilled instructors, guests can learn the graceful movements and symbolic gestures that make hula a captivating expression of Hawaiian heritage. Nestled in the pristine Keo Olina on the vibrant island of Oahu, our next stop invites families and Disney enthusiasts into a world of enchantment. Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. This captivating resort seamlessly blends the whimsical magic of Disney with the genuine warmth of Hawaiian hospitality. As we step into Aulani, the atmosphere transforms into a magical haven where dreams come true against the backdrop of Oahu's tropical paradise. Aulani is more than just a resort, it's an immersive experience designed for guests of all ages. Join me as we embark on an exploration of the countless family-friendly activities that dot the resort landscape. From engaging water features and pools for every age group to a lazy river that winds through lush tropical landscapes, Aulani ensures that every family member finds their own slice of paradise. In summary, Aulani, a Disney resort and spa, is not just a destination, it's a harmonious blend of Disney's magical touch and the warmth of Hawaiian hospitality. Join me as we uncover the secrets of this enchanting resort, where family bonds are strengthened, dreams are realized, and the magic of Disney and the spirit of Hawaii come together in perfect harmony. Let's transport ourselves to the historic Mauna Kea Beach Hotel, nestled gracefully on the Kohala coast of the Big Island. This timeless classic, with a legacy dating back to 1965, is more than just a place to rest your head, it's a living testament to the island's rich history and the evolution of luxury hospitality in Hawaii. As we step into its hallowed halls, we find ourselves amidst an atmosphere that exudes elegance and a commitment to preserving the essence of Hawaiian culture. The Mauna Kea Beach Hotel is renowned for its pristine white sand beach, a stretch of shoreline that seems to have been crafted by the hands of nature itself. Join me as we delve into the allure of this sun-kissed haven, where crystal-clear waters gently lap against the shore, inviting guests to partake in moments of relaxation and serenity. The beach, an integral part of the Mauna Kea experience, becomes a canvas upon which guests can paint their memories, be it a leisurely stroll along the water's edge, or a tranquil afternoon basking in the warm Hawaiian sun. But the Mauna Kea experience goes beyond the shoreline. Our exploration extends to the iconic golf course that graces the resort's grounds, A masterpiece designed by the legendary Robert Trent Jones Sr. The verdant fairways and challenging holes provide not only a sporting escape for enthusiasts, but also panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean, creating a golfing experience that seamlessly integrates nature's beauty. In essence, the Mauna Kea Beach Hotel is a unique retreat that beckons travelers to step into a world where history, nature, and culture converge. As we navigate through its storied past, pristine landscapes, and commitment to cultural authenticity, we'll discover why this iconic destination remains a beacon of hospitality, offering a sanctuary that transcends the ordinary and truly immerses guests in the spirit of aloha. As our journey culminates on the sun-kissed shores of Kauai's southern coast, we arrive at the exquisite Kaioea Key Hotel and Resort, a haven for those seeking a boutique luxury experience. Nestled against the backdrop of the Pacific Ocean, Kaioea Key welcomes guests with an ambience that seamlessly blends tranquility and sophistication. Picture yourself waking up to the gentle sounds of the ocean and stepping onto your private lanai to witness the breathtaking sunrise painting the sky in hues of pink and gold. This intimate resort prides itself on offering personalized service that goes beyond the expected. The attentive staff anticipates your every need, creating a sense of exclusivity and warmth. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply indulging in a romantic getaway, Kaioea Key is designed to cater to every aspect of your stay. The oceanfront views from the resort are nothing short of spectacular, providing a constant reminder that you are in the midst of a tropical paradise. Imagine unwinding in a luxurious suite adorned with modern Hawaiian design, where every detail reflects the island's natural beauty and cultural heritage. For couples seeking a romantic escape, Kaioea Key Hotel and Resort excels in creating an atmosphere of pure enchantment. The resort's spa indulgences offer a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation, allowing you to pamper yourself with traditional Hawaiian-inspired treatments. Picture a couple's massage set against the backdrop of swaying palm trees and the soothing melody of ocean waves. A truly blissful experience. As our journey culminates on the sun-kissed shores of Kauai's southern coast, we arrive at the exquisite Kaioea Key Hotel and Resort, a haven for those seeking a boutique luxury experience. Nestled against the backdrop of the Pacific Ocean, Kaioea Key welcomes guests with an ambience that seamlessly blends tranquility and sophistication. Picture yourself waking up to the gentle sounds of the ocean and stepping onto your private lanai to witness the breathtaking sunrise painting the sky in hues of pink and gold. This intimate resort prides itself on offering personalized service that goes beyond the expected. The attentive staff anticipates your every need, creating a sense of exclusivity and warmth. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply indulging in a romantic getaway, Kaioea Key is designed to cater to every aspect of your stay. The oceanfront views from the resort are nothing short of spectacular, providing a constant reminder that you are in the midst of a tropical paradise. Imagine unwinding in a luxurious suite adorned with modern Hawaiian design, where every detail reflects the island's natural beauty and cultural heritage. For couples seeking a romantic escape, Kaioea Key Hotel and Resort excels in creating an atmosphere of pure enchantment. The resort's spa indulgences offer a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation, allowing you to pamper yourself with traditional Hawaiian-inspired treatments. As we draw the curtains on our exploration, we've embarked on a captivating journey through the varied landscapes of Hawaii, unveiling the creme de la creme of accommodations on each enchanting island. From the lavish retreats that beckon lovers of luxury to the immersive experiences that provide a cultural tapestry, and the family-friendly havens that make Hawaii a welcoming paradise for all, the islands have proven to be a treasure trove of diverse experiences. In Hawaii, the term paradise transcends the picturesque landscapes. It extends to the hospitality, the culture, and the sheer warmth of the aloha spirit that envelops every traveler. Whether you seek the tranquility of Kauai, the vibrant energy of Oahu, the volcanic wonders of the Big Island, or the upscale indulgences of Maui, Hawaii caters to every taste and desire. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupic.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. As we part ways, my hope is that this immersive exploration has sparked a flame of inspiration for your future Hawaiian adventures. May the memories created today linger in your heart, enticing you to return and explore more of this Pacific paradise. Until our paths cross again, mahalo for joining me on this virtual journey, and may your future travels be filled with joy, discovery, and the enduring spirit of aloha. Happy travels, and as the Hawaiians say, a hui hud until we meet again.